What if one of the most luxurious motorhomes in America isn't built by the brand you've been hearing about everywhere? Meet the 2027 Foretravel Realm FS605 Presidential Series. This isn't just another luxury RV. It is a massive high-end motor coach built around one simple idea. What if you could take the comfort of a five-star residence, the power of a heavy-duty diesel coach, and the freedom of the American highway, and put all of it into one machine? And once you see what's underneath this coach, what's inside it, and how much engineering went into making it move, you'll understand why Foretravel has built such a strong reputation in the luxury motor coach world. The first thing you'll notice is the presence. The Realm looks enormous from almost every angle. The body is long, wide, and carefully sculpted, with full-body exterior paint, multiple clear coat finishes, premium lighting, chrome mirrors, large insulated windows, and a massive one-piece windshield. But this isn't just about making the coach look expensive. Foretravel has designed the exterior around long-distance luxury travel. You get electric patio awnings with integrated LED lighting, an outdoor entertainment package, illuminated storage bays, electric cargo trays, and a 380-watt solar panel package. Even the utility areas are designed with a premium feel, using stainless steel panels, electric reels, organized connections, and illuminated controls. In other words, the luxury doesn't stop at the front door. It continues all the way around the coach. And then you look at what is actually powering this giant machine. The 2027 Realm FS605 Presidential Series uses a Spartan K4 chassis and a Cummins X15 diesel engine producing 605 horsepower. But the number that may be even more impressive is the torque. This engine produces up to 1,950 pound-feet of torque. That's the kind of power that makes it possible to move a coach of this size with serious confidence. Power is sent through an Allison 6-speed transmission, while the coach also uses valid air suspension with VDC control, independent front suspension, electronic suspension control, and a passive steer tag axle. And that tag axle isn't just there for appearance. It helps the enormous coach maintain stability while also contributing to maneuverability. Foretravel even lists a 17-degree turning radius for the passive steer tag axle. That's important because driving a luxury coach this large isn't the same as driving an SUV. You're dealing with massive dimensions, serious weight, and a completely different driving experience. That's why Foretravel has packed the cockpit with technology designed to give the driver more information and more confidence. The coach features a 15-inch digital valid dash, selectable driving modes, wireless phone charging, a dedicated camera display, and an 8-camera system. 2 cameras are integrated into the mirrors, while 6 provide a 360-degree view around the coach. You can even display the camera views on the coach's televisions. Think about what that means when you're maneuvering into a tight campsite or trying to position a vehicle this large. Instead of relying only on mirrors and guesswork, you have a complete visual picture around the coach. And the safety technology goes even further. The Realm includes collision mitigation with adaptive cruise control and active braking, electronic stability control, automatic traction control, Mobileye collision avoidance and lane departure technology, and other systems designed to make long-distance driving safer and easier. But here's where the Realm becomes truly interesting. Because the engineering is impressive, but this is ultimately a luxury home on wheels. Open the door, and the atmosphere changes completely. Foretravel focuses heavily on custom cabinetry, premium materials, and craftsmanship, creating an interior that feels less like a recreational vehicle and more like a private luxury residence. The floor plans are designed around real living. There is room to relax, entertain, cook, work, and sleep without constantly feeling like you're trying to make everything fit into a tiny space. And that's what makes a coach like this different. You're not buying it just for a weekend trip. You're buying it for the possibility of staying on the road for days, weeks, or even longer without giving up the comforts of home. The kitchen is designed around that philosophy. You get residential-style features, premium cabinetry, a pantry, and a single-bowl kitchen sink, along with storage designed for extended travel. Imagine waking up somewhere completely different every morning. You don't have to find a hotel, you don't have to search for a restaurant, you don't have to unpack your luggage. Your kitchen is already there, your bedroom is already there, your bathroom is already there, your entire living environment moves with you. And then there's the bedroom. The Realm Presidential Series includes a luxury king-size mattress, giving the rear sleeping area the kind of comfort you'd expect in a high-end home. Wireless phone chargers are built directly into the nightstands, so even something as simple as charging your phone has been considered. And when you combine the bedroom with the coach's climate control and heating systems, the idea of long-distance luxury travel starts to make a lot more sense. The bathroom continues that residential approach. There's a built-in shower bench, a variable-speed electric exhaust fan, and premium finishes designed around comfort rather than simply saving space. And underneath all of this is an impressive electrical and climate system. The coach can be equipped with a 12.5 kilowatt Onan diesel generator in a quiet enclosure, a 3,000-watt Xantrex inverter/charger, multiple air conditioning units with heat pumps, and an aqua-hot hydronic heating system depending on the floor plan. There's even a 2-zone heated tile floor system with scheduling capability. Think about that. You're parked somewhere in the mountains. It's freezing outside. But inside your motorhome, the floor beneath your feet is warm. That's the kind of detail that separates a luxury coach from an ordinary RV. The Realm also carries serious onboard capacity. It has a 120-gallon freshwater tank, a 115-gallon gray water tank, and a 56-gallon black water tank. The fuel tank holds 150 gallons. That means this coach is designed for serious travel, not just short trips between campgrounds. And there's another number that tells you how substantial this machine really is. The chassis is rated for a 54,000-pound GVWR, with a 74,000-pound gross combined weight rating. It can also tow up to 20,000 pounds. So if you're traveling with a serious vehicle, boat, or trailer, the Realm has the capability to bring it along. But perhaps the most interesting thing about this motorhome isn't any individual feature. It's what all of these features create together. Imagine leaving your home on the East Coast and heading west. You could spend one night overlooking the mountains. The next morning, you wake up, make coffee in your own kitchen, and continue down the highway. By evening, you're somewhere completely different. You step outside, extend the awning, turn on the lights, and enjoy the sunset. Then you go back inside. The temperature is comfortable, the floor is warm, dinner is waiting in your own kitchen, your king-size bed is behind you, your entertainment system is ready, and your entire home is sitting exactly where you want it to be. That's the Realm experience. It's not simply about luxury furniture, it's about freedom. A luxury hotel can give you an incredible room, but you have to leave it behind when you move to another city. A luxury house can give you comfort, but it stays in one location. The Foretravel Realm combines elements of both. Your home travels with you. And that is what makes a motor coach like this so fascinating. Of course, this level of engineering and craftsmanship doesn't come cheap. The exact price can vary depending on configuration and customization. So this isn't a motorhome you buy simply because it's practical. It's aimed at buyers who want something far beyond an ordinary RV. Someone who wants power, someone who wants craftsmanship, someone who wants technology, and most importantly, someone who wants the freedom to travel without giving up the lifestyle they've built at home. The 2027 Foretravel Realm FS605 Presidential Series is massive, powerful, sophisticated, and built for people who refuse to think of luxury as something that has to stay in one place. It gives you a 605 horsepower diesel engine, advanced chassis technology, a high-end interior, serious onboard capacity, sophisticated safety systems, and the kind of residential comfort that can make a long road trip feel completely different. So here's the real question. If you had the money to own a motorhome like this, would you take the Foretravel Realm and travel across America? Or would you spend that same money on a luxury home that never moves? Because with the Realm, the destination isn't necessarily the most important part. The journey becomes part of the luxury. And when your luxury home can follow you wherever the road leads, the entire country suddenly feels a lot smaller. If you enjoyed this look at the 2027 Foretravel Realm FS605 Presidential Series, make sure you stay tuned, because the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes gets even more extreme from here.